tested the North Carolina Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. Broadcasters in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities have developed the system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the monthly test of the North Carolina Emergency Alert System.
By an emergency. It's beside it's a date, the time. I really don't know.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Althemer Police Department, in cooperation with the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office. U.S. Highway 79B is closed in Althemer at this time. A train traveling through the city has had 16 of its cars derail. No casualties have been reported, but a tanker car was involved in the accident. While hazmat is reported that the tanker car does not have any leaks, it is strongly advised that you stay tuned to local media outlets for further information in the event of a possible toxic chemical spill. At this time, it is unknown how long the railroad or roads affected by this derailment will be closed.
Looks like some kind of apocalypse movie. Looks like some kind of apocalypse movie. Speel gaat op een achtermisjes. Speel gaat op een achtermisjes. Looks like some kind of apocalypse movie. 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 Speel gaat op een achtermisjes. Looks like some kind of apocalypse movie. Looks like some kind of apocalypse movie. Looks like some kind of apocalypse movie.
The Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the coastal areas of northern and central California, including the following counties: Sonoma, Marin, Napa, San Francisco, San Mateo, Contra Costa, Alameda, and Santa Clara. This is a result of an 8.9 earthquake near Honshu, Japan, that struck at 2:46 local time in the afternoon. In Japan, if a tsunami wave is generated, it is expected to arrive in San Francisco at the mouth of San Francisco Bay at 8:08 a.m. this morning. The tsunami warning means the tsunami is imminent and that coastal locations in the warned area should prepare for flooding. The National Weather Service is updating conditions hourly or as conditions warrant. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.
Now Tippy and Spike's secret is safe. What?
Here is another required weekly test of the emergency alert system in 3, 2, 1.
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northern Scott County in southeast Missouri until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Chaffee and moving east at 45 miles per hour. A funnel cloud was reported near Chaffee by trained storm spotters. Tornado and quarter-size hail. Weather spotters reported funnel cloud. Impact flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Kelso and Benton around 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This is an extremely life-threatening situation. Other locations in the warning include Lambert and Commerce. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
The National Weather Service has issued an emergency action notification for the continental United States. This is not a test. The following instructions are vital to your safety. Remain calm at all times. Close and secure all possible entrances to your home. Switch off all lights and close all curtains or blinds. Remain silent at all times. Do not look out of any windows. Do not respond to any knocks upon your doors or windows until the all clear is given. Do not attempt to interact with anyone outside of your home. Do not attempt to investigate any noise which emanates from outside of your home. Do not attempt to investigate any light source outside of your home. Should any member of your family go missing, do not attempt to search for them. If you see any unidentified figure inside of your home or from the corners of your eyes, do not attempt to investigate. Do not look at the ceiling. Do not hear them screaming. Do not. If you have received this message in its entirety, turn off your television immediately. This message shall repeat.
Now, official messages.
of apocalypse movie.
Like us on Facebook, we'll send you more episodes in Grounded series.
If you need to request a video, we'll notify you.
Plus, if you never find us, call us at 843-718-7149 for any information or any Grounded series.
Like us on Facebook and thanks for watching.
The Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the coastal areas of northern and central California, including the following counties: Sonoma, Marin, Napa, San Francisco, San Mateo, Contra Costa, Alameda, and Santa Clara. This is a result of an 8.9 earthquake near Honshu, Japan, that struck at 2:46 local time in the afternoon. In Japan, the tsunami wave is generated and is expected to arrive in San Francisco at the mouth of San Francisco Bay at 8:08 a.m. this morning. The tsunami warning means the tsunami is imminent and that coastal locations in the warned area should prepare for flooding. The National Weather Service is updating conditions hourly or as conditions warrant. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.